In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your battery on your Fiat 500. It's located under the hood. To remove your battery, you're going to remove your negative battery terminal first using a 10mm socket. Loosen this nut. Take the terminal off. Set it aside. Now we're going to remove the positive battery terminal using a 10mm long socket. After it's loose, you're going to remove the terminal. Try to put it aside where it's not going to hit any metal. Using a 13mm socket, we're going to remove our hold-down bolt. It's in front of the battery. That looks like it needs a little penetrating oil. Remove your bolt with the hold down and set it aside. Make sure both terminals are away from the battery. This battery has a handle, so we're going to use that. And remove it. Pick up your battery and place it in. Make sure your terminals are out of the way. Make sure your battery is positioned all the way back. Next, we're going to install our hold down. Place the bolt where it goes and position the hold down so it's over the lip of the battery. Slide it in by hand. I put some anti-seize on my threads so that it doesn't get rusty again. Tighten it down till it's snug. And then go about a quarter of a turn more to hold it down. Now we're going to put our terminals on. We're going to start with our positive terminal first. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to tighten down the nut after we put the terminal down on the post all the way down. Don't over tighten these, just snug them up. Give it the wiggle test. That's good. Now we'll do our negative battery terminal the same way. I'm going to connect it all the way down. Push all the way down until it's flush with the battery. And tighten down this nut. Make sure you don't touch the positive with whatever you're using. When it's snug, you're good. Make sure it doesn't wiggle, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.